My night routine usually starts at 8. It's right after I fed my baby and I put him away for a nap. The first thing that I do, I just take off all my makeup. If I'm wearing lashes, I take them off. I just want a clean face before I start doing anything else. It just feels like the perfect way to start my routine. I have a little something, and it's kind of weird because throughout the day, I don't really clean. I clean at night. So maybe throughout the day, my house is not very organized, but I love to wake up to a clean and tidy home. So I just make sure that everything is put away nicely. I clean up the counters. So right here, I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I do right before I move on to working. So I'm not gonna talk too much. I like to put all the baby bottles inside of a container because I don't want any little insects, crawling around. It's just, I don't know. It creeps me out. So I really just put everything away, just for the safety of the baby. After everything is put away, I then move on to my skincare routine. I will not show you this on this video, but I will be uploading one very soon, maybe by next week. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and to click on that little bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos coming up. This tea brings me so much memories because when I was pregnant, my husband would do this for me like almost every night. Just to soothe me, I guess. And so now I just move on to my computer. Here I was working on editing Tuesday's video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below so that you can go ahead and take a look at it. And then I just write in my journal. I have my gratitude section, my affirmations, my goals. I make sure that I write on this every single night. And then the baby wakes up, but as soon as I put him to bed, he falls asleep right away. He just wakes up, to eat and to maybe just spend some quality time with me. I love to moisturize right before I go to bed. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.